Imagine typing a few lines of text, and seconds later, watching a realistic AI avatar speak your words out loud. No camera, no microphone, just pure artificial intelligence. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, today, I'll show you how to turn any text into a talking avatar using 100% free AI tools. First, go to a website like HeyGen, Synthesia Free Demo, or Vidnoz AI. These tools let you create realistic digital avatars that speak from text. For example, on HeyGen, you can pick a human-like character, type your script, choose a voice and language, and click Generate. In less than a minute, your AI avatar starts talking, perfectly lip-syncs to your words. And the best part? You don't need any video editing experience. It's all automatic, directly from your browser. Now, if you don't want to sign up or pay for credits, try Vidnoz AI or Deep Brain Play Demo. Both offer free trials where you can create short avatar videos without watermarks. Simply paste your text, pick a face, and select a voice. Some even let you upload your own photo to make a personalized AI clone, though results vary. This is perfect for YouTube intros, explainer videos, or faceless TikToks. Want your avatar to sound more natural? You can combine these tools with free voice generators like 11 Labs free tier or play.ht. Generate the voice first, then upload the audio to an avatar tool like DID. It'll sync perfectly. You can also add backgrounds, subtitles, and logos directly in the editor. With a bit of creativity, you can make videos that look like they came from a studio, all powered by AI. Here's a trick: if your free trial has a time limit, record your screen while the video plays. This way, you can still use the clip without paying, just make sure it's for personal or educational use. You can then edit it in CapCut or Canva for final touches. So now you know, you don't need a camera or a studio to make professional videos. Just type your words, and AI does the rest. Turn your ideas into talking avatars for free. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.